Hello friends, I am Deep Chatra and now you are watching Only for Design. So today I have a wonderful topic. Today I will show you how to share your blog or your post in social media platform. You see, this is my client site. I go to blog. You can see this is the first blog. Get read more. Now you can see share button. You can see here a share button. If you click Facebook, you can share this post on your Facebook profile. Then LinkedIn, you can share this post on LinkedIn profile. Like this way you can share all social media platform, also WhatsApp also. I show you how to share the post on social media platforms. social media share plugin JavaScript. You can see so many plugins is there. This is the JS Socials. This is the very good and very easy, but I think this plugin have some problem because it's not updated, I think so, because last day I used this plugin for practice. It's not working properly, so I can use this plugin. You can see demo. This plugin is very easy and very helpful. So today I use this plugin, so I already download this one. Okay, so I close this one. We cross the 2000 subscriber now at a time. So please share my videos, like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. So this is the my client project. This one one of the client project. So you can see this is the blog post. If you don't know how to create a blog or how to create a dynamic blog, so please watch my videos. I have created more than 30 to 40 videos on this topic, so please I give you the link. Please watch the videos. Okay, so this is the dynamic blog. If you click read more, you can see it's go to the details page. Okay, so I go to the backend, log in the backend, WP admin, visit site. Okay, so you can see this is the three post. Okay, so if you add new post, just I put the dummy text. I just show you it's working fine. And paste, publish. You can see here I already used this image. Okay, don't worry. If you refresh here, you can see this blog. I can this add now. January 8, today is date 2001. Then read more. Oh, sorry. Click read more button. Where is the read more button? Read more. This is the page, but I need here a share button. Okay, so I download this plugin, and this is the plugin, this one. Okay, so what I do, I need this, copy this, just go to the dist and copy these two files. First I copy this CSS file and paste it to go to C drive, then jam, then htdocs, then this is my project, then web content, themes, advanced, then assets, then CSS. This is my CSS folder. Okay, so I paste here, this is CSS folder, and copy jQuery floating social share dot mean and paste it JS folder. This JS folder I paste in JS. Okay, now what I do, and open this link, I just link these two. Okay, so I link in header, just copy this link. You can see this is the index page. This one is open demo, then index, then I open this one on text editor, and this is the link. I just copy this one, and this is my project. I go to header, this is the header, and paste it here in header. I paste it in header and give the HTML code. Okay, so just this one and CSS, link this code. Okay, link this code. Also same way I add the JS in footer. Where is the JS? This is the JS. This is the JS. I add this one on footer. So this is the footer. I add this one here and copy this code and paste it here. Just link. Okay, I think I didn't put assets in header. Yes, I didn't put, so I put assets in header. So now it's linked. Okay, so now what I do, I need a jQuery small code. You can see jQuery script. I need this script, so I copy this script, copy, and I paste in footer. After link, paste, and I need one thing, ID. I need this ID. Where is the ID? So I change this ID to share button. Okay, change this ID, share button, copy, and go to single post. This is the single post. After content, here I put div ID share button. Okay, then save, and now refresh. It's not showing. It's not showing. I think I missed something. Yes, I changed this ID here. I need to put ID sign. Okay, now if I refresh here, you can see this is the share button. Okay, so if I click here, so it's go to Facebook to share this post. You can see. So I close it. You can share the LinkedIn. You can see, click the LinkedIn, is open LinkedIn, then login, then share this post. Okay, this way you can use social media share buttons. You can share anything, any post, any blog post, any pages on social media platforms. So please subscribe my channel. If you any doubt, please comment, please like, please share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.